Hi guys, Kat here. Today my husband here, Doug, he's gonna make me my favorite Brazilian bread, cheese bread. It's really yummy and it's very simple. I don't bake, so he does the baking, so he's gonna show us how he makes the Brazilian cheese bread. Okay, so what we will need here is very simple ingredients. This is tapioca flour. You need a blender, by the way, to blend your ingredients, okay? We have a Vitamix, it works really well. All right, so we have here, how many cups, honey?
3 cups.
3 cups of tapioca flour and
2/3 cup.
2/3 cup extra virgin olive oil, correct?
It's like 3/4 cup of Parmesan. It's closer to a cup.
Yeah, we like this
Make
packed.
it cheesy. Yeah.
This really makes it really flavorful. Other recipes, they just use feta, but we like Parmesan, so we're gonna use both. Okay, so this is feta. Okay.
1/4 cup there.
1/4 cup. This here is garlic powder, MSG optional, and salt. All right, we got some whole milk, 1 1/3 cup, and 2 eggs.
Okay.
So, yeah.
So we're gonna put all the wet ingredients in the blender. Just all goes in there, so it's
All
really
goes in.
easy recipe. Actually, probably should have put all the wet ingredients on the bottom.
Yeah, that's
but
true.
we wanted to measure out the flour, so probably do that if you're gonna do that.
Yeah, put the milk first, huh?
Yeah, put all the wet ingredients first, and then put that, because it's gonna be dry there. And then start on low, because if you have a powerful blender, it's really gonna. In fact, this might be a problem. You don't want it to, like, you know, pulsate up. You want it to start really low. Keep it on low. Let it go for a while. What you can do is you want to make sure you don't get any stuff on the sides. It's not really low.
Mixer. We think a mixer would be better?
Not necessarily, because the cheese is really, it kind of gets kind of clumpy. So you want to make sure you mix in all the ingredients really. I mean, it's probably not a bad thing if you have clumpy cheese in your thing, but you don't want it to settle into certain ones and then other ones don't get it. So you want to make sure you incorporate all the ingredients.
We're just gonna let this blend until it's thoroughly blended. Alright, so is it thoroughly mixed?
Yeah, looks like it.
Okay. And then we're gonna...
It's very liquidy.
Yeah, we're gonna transfer this into a muffin pan. These are the mini muffin pans. This makes up about what, 24?
Yeah.
For mini muffin. Well, 24 plus a little bit extra for another batch, but... Yeah, so what you want to do is you want to grease your muffin pan with some Pam spray, so that
you could use more olive oil or
so that it's easier for it
or something, but
come out.
Yeah,
okay?
Pam is easiest,
yeah.
But you want to fill each one 3/4
ways.
Yeah,
because it's gonna puff up when you bake it. All right guys, now this is ready for the oven. So what you want to do is preheat your oven to what is it, honey? 400 degrees. Okay, and then we're gonna bake this for what, 10,
15 to 20
15 to
minutes.
20 minutes. All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
To the center rack.
Center rack. 400 degrees. Okay, and we'll check back. Okay, we've got about 5 seconds before the timer goes off. And what my husband's gonna do now is switch it over to broil for.
See, they rose.
They look how puffy they puffed up from cooking, and it's kind of like almost done, but it's kind of pale on the top, and we like it a little bit brown, so we're putting it on broiler.
Yeah.
For 2 minutes maybe.
Yeah, a couple. It takes a little while for the top element to start heating up, and you might need to rotate it because when you broil, it kind of heats up toward the back. So watch the back ones, and when you see it get golden brown the way you like it, you could start rotating it for a few more seconds, and then you're done.
Yep.
So that's basically it.
Almost.
Got it.
Okay, so what he's doing is he's turning it around so it gets even broil, and while it's on broil, he didn't close it, right, honey? You have it open.
Whenever you broil, you don't
shut the oven door.
Yeah, you don't shut your oven door.
Yeah.
It's
So kind of
just
keep
the
an
top-
eye on it because you can tell, look, it's browning already.
It's the top element on your oven. In case you guys didn't know that. Okay, so that's basically it. We could stop this for now. We're actually got another batch to do.
Yeah. Woo! Look at that. Smells good. You can smell the Parmesan. Look at that. And that's how you want it. And what you want to do to keep it warm is you have to put it in a basket. Ooh, careful, you want to. Is it too hot? He's got sensitive skin, but I can hold it. Look at me. Look at me. Look at that. It's airy, cheesy, and very delicious. You want to open one to show?
Yeah.
Oh, I show. Okay. So this. Look at this. Can you see?
Mm-hmm.
Look at that.
Good?
Perfect. Delicious. Yummy. Yeah,
Okay.
So we just put this out, fill it in, and stir it right away while it's still warm. It's the most delicious when it's hot and just came out of the oven. So
Yeah, the way they serve it in the Brazilian restaurant, the Brazilian barbecues, they just have a towel and keep it warm. Yeah.
So that's it, you guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you will get. I'm so chewing. Okay, hold on. Okay, take two. So I hope you will give this recipe a try and let me know if you like it. See you next time. Bye.